Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. So, previous video about this Ford Bronco was my theory of heat soaking. The starter was getting too hot off of those exhaust pipes right here. And I'm going to make I've made a shield for it. Let me zoom you back a little bit. There we go. That might be more helpful. And you'll see the shield I've made here is just a piece of sheet metal with a hose clamp that goes through it. And I'm going to fasten that to this pipe right here. And it'll create a heat barrier. Let me get my tool out of my pocket and get situated, and you guys can see what I'm doing, hopefully. Lucky I don't do it for a living. So we're going to feed this around. That's good. Alright, and choose the location of it. Alright, kind of like that. Get this thing started. Now am I going the right direction? Correct polarity. I'm right in a perfect spot where things can drop right in my eye. Okay. You should take up a bunch of this slack here. Call it whatever you want, you know, redneck or what have you, but I think I'm 100% sure this is what's going on, because there used to be a heat shield on this system right here, and it was there for a purpose above and beyond the catalytic converter's heat shield. There was something else here, but I did not own the truck at that time. And there's no telling what they had to cut off of this thing before a 5-speed conversion was put on it. I didn't do the 5-speed conversion. That was done down in North Carolina, in Morgantown somewhere, or nearby. I'm not saying I would have kept the heat shield either. If it was in my way, I'd probably say I don't need no damn heat shield. So let's get that spotted. And that. I'm pretty sure that'll be fine right there. Still have a lot of slack to pick up. Alright, we're starting to look like something now. do I want that up like that or not? Probably. Probably enough. Okay. So let's get you up here and let you see what just happened. Zoom you back a little bit and get a different perspective. You can see there's my cable, starter cable. And the back side here. So yeah, some heat is still going to get up in there, but I'm thinking that the radiant heat off of that vertical section right there, it's only like probably 1 3/4 inches from the starter. So hopefully that doesn't rattle too much. It seems pretty trapped. But that's my dealio for deflecting the heat. And there's nothing threatening my cables. My O2 sensor is not on that sharp edge. Could be, but it's not at the moment. It's leaning on this right here. I don't know how noisy it'll get when I'm running. It shouldn't get noisy, but if I hear it, I'll hear it. That one clamp should be sufficient to hold it in place. I don't see any reason to go super duper overkill. Again, that's just to get the heat off the starter. Alright guys, moving on. Going up to fuse links next. See ya, bye.